Okay, this video is for evidence number 3, which for this one you're looking at DNA evidence. So you're going to have to kind of reflect back to our genetics unit when we were talking about DNA, and specifically in this section you're going to be looking at DNA codons, which remember are 3 DNA bases that code for a specific trait. And in this section, you're going to be looking and comparing the DNA codon sequences of different primates and humans, because evolution does suggest that humans evolved from primates. So for letter A, you are observing the data chart, which shows us all the different DNA codon sequences for the following organisms: baboon, chimp, lemur, gorilla, and then finally the human. Okay, so what you want to notice is there are similarities of the DNA codons between the different species. For example, if you look at the second column there, all 5 organisms have the exact same DNA codon sequence. Okay, again with the final column, all 5 organisms have an identical DNA codon sequence. Okay, so that should already be starting to see these similarities. So for letter B, for each primate, you're going to count the number of DNA codon sequences that are different from the human sequence. Okay, so for example, I'm going to actually go ahead and do baboon first for you so that you can kind of see how this works. So what I'm doing is I am comparing the baboon, and I'm going to go ahead and highlight these just so we have a better idea of what we're specifically looking at, and the humans. And we're looking for differences, not similarities. And we need to count how many are different. So I'm just going to go column by column, starting with the first column. This is different. They're not identical, so that's 1 difference. These are the same, so that doesn't count. These are different, that's 2. The same, the same, the same, the same. This is different, that's 3. These are the same. Different, 4. That's the same, that's the same, that's the same. This is different, 5. That's the same. So the number of DNA codon sequences that were different from the human for the baboon was 5. Then you would just do that for the remaining 3 primates. And then the final question for this section is, which species is most similar to the human, and how do you know?